Hi, thanks for tuning in today. Welcome to Backcountry Health in Jackson Hole. We're located here in Smith's Plaza on the south side of town. Today, we want to give you a quick overview of what we do here and how we can help with your health and wellness. Let's go take a look around.
The word chiropractic means done by hand. Here at Backcountry Health, we do a hands-on, non-invasive treatment for musculoskeletal issues and nerve entrapment. As sports chiropractors, our treatment goes far beyond the simple chiropractic adjustment, working into the muscles, fascia, ligaments, and tendons that are affected. Our goal is to find why it hurts and help you fix the underlying issue, not just what hurts on the surface.
So, here's what a visit to see us will look like. We'll start with an exam including orthopedic tests as indicated and an analysis of how your joints move, as well as any imbalances in your muscles that could be contributing to your issue.
From there, we address soft tissue injuries and imbalances. We may use active release technique, Graston, cupping, electric stim, stretching, and other therapies.
Next, as chiropractors, we typically adjust. Adjusting is simply putting movement into a joint. It may or may not produce a cavitation, or that pop associated with chiropractic visits. If you're not ready for an adjustment, let us know. We are happy to take care of you with all the other therapies. We love to explain what is happening that is leading to your issues and teach stretches and simple exercises that will help you to continue to heal and avoid recurrence of the injury.
Thanks for your virtual visit with us today. If you want to come by in person so we can help you get healthy and build long-lasting, pain-free movement, feel free to give us a call or book an appointment on our website. We offer our services at 2 locations in Jackson and in Alpine. We look forward to working with you.